Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Duolingo account permanently. First, open the Duolingo app on your phone. Here we are on the welcome page. You can see various icons at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the profile-like icon here on this page. Now tap on the settings icon next to your avatar at the top right corner. Here you can see various setting options. Tap on Profile, which lies in Account section. Here you can see your profile's personal information. Now to delete your account, tap on Delete Account option at the bottom of the screen. Here you can see a warning page which claims that proceeding ahead will delete your data and progress on the app permanently, and that it takes 30 days to delete your account. However, you'll have 7-day grace period to cancel the delete process and restore your account. To continue deleting your account, tap on Delete Account option at the bottom of the screen. You might be asked for confirmation. Tap on Delete Account again. Now you can see that your account has been scheduled to be deleted. You can cancel deleting your account and restore your account by tapping on the Abort Account Deletion option at the bottom of the screen. Remember that you only have 7-day grace period to cancel the process. And that's it for this video. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.